Now let's work the sixth problem here. It says find the angle, measure x in the following figure. Alright, now one property we know from all these videos before is that if you add all the angles in a quadrilateral basically, or a polygon, in fact for a quadrilateral, that is four-sided figure, is always 360 degrees, and we see that this guy is a quadrilateral, right? So I just need to add this guy, that is 50 plus 130 plus 120 plus x should always be 360. We learned this, right? Cool. Now can you add this, guys? That should be how much? 120 and 130 is 180 plus 120 is all 300 exactly. Yeah. Plus x is 360, and put this guy on the other side, that x is actually 360 minus 300, which makes it 60 degrees. That's how we find it. Very simple logic, right? Come back to this guy here. In the second problem, it says this is given to you as 90. Okay, this is 90 because the sine basically of an angle is always 90. For example, if at all you have two lines, and if it is a curved line like this, it doesn't mean this guy is 90. All right, and if you have angle like this, and still if this angle is curved, I don't know whether these two guys are perpendicular or not. No, I don't know. Right? It can be 92 degrees, it can be 91 degrees. Now one of the notations, or one of the very sure things to say that this angle is 90 is the angle notation is given like this. Okay, when it is like this, we should always take it to be 90 degrees. Okay, keep that in mind. Second thing to know here is, what if I have a straight line? This angle is always 180 degrees, and one of the angle, if it is given like this to you, what do you think is the other angle? It has to be 90, isn't it? Why? Because if this is 90, and let's say this is x, I don't know, but if I add 90 plus x, I should always get what? 180 degrees, because it's a straight line. Then what is x? X is 180 minus 90, which is 90. So we understand this. Okay, keep this in mind and see how we can solve this guy. So since this is 90, let me take this guy as y, whatever it is. Can I get this? I know that 90 plus y is 180 degrees, and y can be 180 degrees minus 90, which is 90 degrees again. So y is 90. So keep this guy is 90. We just got it 90. Good enough. All right. Now let's go back again. I need to find the value of x. And I see that this is a quadrilateral, and the angle sum of a quadrilateral is always 360 degrees. So let's go ahead with this. It was like x plus 70 plus 90 plus 60 should be 360 degrees. Now how do you add these guys? So I can say this is 100 and 120, that's 220. So x is actually 220, oh sorry, x plus 220 is 360 degrees, and x should be 360 minus 220. Alright, so how much is that? I can say it should be 20, there's 40 here, and this is 1. So 140 degrees is the angle measure of x in the second diagram.